from Start at Home, and today I'm going to show you guys how to turn an old sign into a new sign, and it is so easy. We are going to use vinyl. So I bought this print. I will link it in the comments. I had it printed on vinyl. I'll put a few places you can print vinyl as well. And now we're going to stick it on this sign. Ready? Let's go.
First, lay your vinyl out and get it lined up. I ordered my vinyl an inch bigger on the top and sides, so I had a little wiggle room. Next, pull the back off a little bit at a time. Start with the bottom edge, line it up, and use a squeegee to stick it down, making sure to get all the bubbles out. If an area wrinkles, carefully pull it up and then stick it back down. Once that section is stuck down, remove a little more of the backing and keep working your way up the sign, making sure to get all the air bubbles out. Once the vinyl is on, use your squeegee to make sure the corners and sides are good and tight. Then use a razor blade to trim the excess around the edges. Now I have a beautiful new sign that is perfect for my spring front porch.